Welcome back to Coding CEO, the channel where I empower you to become the CEO of your own coding journey. Here in today's video, we are moving towards our first program. We are going to write a Hello World program in our Java editor. But before moving towards the editor, I want you all to write it on your page so that you can understand each and every word of the program. So basically, what is Hello World program? I want to print or display that Hello World message on my Windows screen. So here is your first program in Java: public class demo, public static void main, in bracket there is some string and args system.out.println, in bracket there is, in the double quote we have to write hello world. We are going to move word by word in this program, and let's understand and deep dive into each and every single concept written in our screen. So basically we have to start with what is public, right? It is nothing but an access modifier. In further lectures in inheritance and polymorphism in the OOPS concept, we will cover access modifier parts. So basically there are few types of access modifier. One is the public, as we see here. Another one is protected. Next one is private. And the last but not the least is default. So these are some four access modifiers we have in our Java. We will see it in depth at the time of OOPS concept. What is class? It is related to the OOPS concept, classes and object. What is demo? It is just a simple name of the class. So demo is simply the name of the class we have written in our program. Again we have a word public, but after that we have a word called as static. It is known as a static keyword. This concept we will also explore in further lectures. Just remember the names here. What is void? What is main? Okay. So void main is nothing but void is a return type of main method. Of method only, but here it is a main method. Okay. So what is main method? It is a start point. You know, at the time of discussing the fundamentals, I have told you that JVM runs your program, gets access the program. So main method is the start point where JVM comes and see where is main, and if he finds where is main, he starts executing line by line from that main function string. Okay. Then in the main function we have a string args, right? It is basically a parameter in the main method of Java program that allows you to pass command line arguments when you run the program. This is a very basic and a tricky questions in many interviews ask what is string args in any of the program. So let's deep dive and understand what is string args. So string, this indicates that args is an array of strings. What is array? What is string? We will cover all this in separate videos. In Java, arrays are basically a collections of similar data types. What are data types? In our next video, we will cover data types. What is args? This is the name of the parameter. This is just a name. Okay, like we have a demo, that is the name of the class. I can have my name also, CodingCEO, that is the name of the class. So args is also a name of the parameter. You can name it differently if you prefer, but args is a common convention. But what is this purpose of this string args? This is where the most confusion happens. So talking about the purpose of this parameter, when you run a Java program from the command line, you can provide additional information or input to the program by passing arguments. These arguments are passed as strings and are stored in the args array. The main method serves as the entry point of the program for JVM, and any command line arguments you provide are accessible through the args parameters. After that, we have system.out written in our program. What is that? We also have some system.in. This system.out statement provide information to our JVM that our system needs to put it on the output basis. This system.inline provides our JVM that user need to put input at this time. So this concept we will cover in user input concept. We just need to understand that system.out is the output. So why I told you that Java is a formal language. So see, if you want to print anything in Python, you just need to write print, right? And if you want to write or display anything in C or C++, you just need to write printf, right? Or cout, right? That's the difference comes here in Java. Java has a system class, and system class has its method, that .out method, and that .out method has a .println method. What println method does? It just simply print the values which are passed in that println function and move to next line. We also have .print system .out .print. What it does, it print the value and stay in the same line, right? Also we have a printf in Java, but this is a special case. So what is this hello world? So in double quotes, if you write anything, this is considered as a string data type. What is hello world? They are characters, just a simple characters, and a set of characters is known as a string, right? What are the curly brackets? Opening and closing. This is the opening of any block, same closing of a block. What I mean to say is that opening of the block. So this is class demo. So class demo opens here and class demo closes here. The main method opens here and main method closes here. Semicolon is end of every statement in the Java program or in the Java code. Some language have exception that semicolon is not important, just like our Python language, our JavaScript language. Semicolon is not important, but in our Java language, our C language, C++ language, and many other, semicolon is must after every statement ends. So semicolon is a symbol that our statement in this Java program ends here. So that's all from this video. This is CodingCEO signing off. Keep coding, keep conquering, and keep being the CEO of your own coding dreams. Thank you.